just say like, hey!
But, here's a puzzle, okay, guys, let's do it. Yeah, we're recording. We're doing a YouTube channel. Okay, let's do it. I have to say, hi guys, welcome back to our channel, okay? Me and you, okay?
Say it, it's your channel. Say it.
Me and you do it.
No, say, hey
guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are doing, a puzzle. My favorite movie. We watched it a long time ago, but so.
Let's open it.
So just go down to the subscribe button, click the bells, and hit that YouTube button. And give me a big, huge thumbs up. I want it on YouTube. Do it. This is the puzzle, guys. Yay! I'm still in the chair.
Okay.
Now's your turn. Just say hi, guys. Welcome back to my channel, okay?
No, you already said it. Let's put it together.
Okay.
Come on. Stop.
Here you go.
Okay.
But guys, I want to hang it up right here. No. There you go.
Okay.
So guys, I just had to go fix y'all. But I won't play on my Play-Doh why my brother does that. So, but I do that. Ooh, do that. I don't play on my Play-Doh.
Oh, look, I think I found it.
What?
I think I found it.
Yeah.
Rusty. Stop.
Guys, it's my Play-Doh. I mean slime. It's slime. Look, it's slime. It just smells like Play-Doh. But it's not Play-Doh. It's just that it smells like Play-Doh because it's slime. And more slime. Got matching twin slime, guys. If you'll be mad at me for all the slime, I just can make it for 16 hours.
Look.
What the heck?
Okay. Let's see.
My brother know how to build. Well, I'm going to show the log my mom. Okay. Hey guys, come here. I'm going to show you my mom today. Mom, look at my log. My video. Yeah, say hi. Welcome back to Josie's channel. I mean, my daughter's channel.
Hey, welcome to Josie's channel.
No, my daughter's channel.
My daughter's channel.
And say I have some lots of makeup for my daughter and stuff, and you and stuff, yeah. But don't push them.
Yeah.
And you have to say don't push them off.
Be sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe.
And hit that bell button. And hit that subscribe button.
That's right.
That message goes to Trump, but I'm a Democrat. Yeah. He did too.
It's so crazy because, like, speaking of groups of people,
I'm still working on it.
Okay, just hurry up.
So. Oh, look.
Oh.